discuss this topic, projection of points. In this diagram, you can see four quadrants: first quadrant, second, third, and fourth. So when the object is in first quadrant, its front view is above XY line and top view is below XY line. And when the object is in third quadrant, its front view is below XY line and top view is above XY line. First angle projection is basically preferred in Asian countries like India, and third angle projection is preferred in Western countries like USA. And in second and fourth angle projection, we don't prefer them because front view and top view overlaps. So there's a lot of confusion because front view is coming over the top view. So second and fourth quadrants are not preferred for drawings. Only we prefer first angle projection and third angle projection. So let's see the first example of first angle projection. In this diagram, you can see this point P and the observer is standing here. So you can see when he is seeing this point P, its front view P dash, it is showing on the vertical plane and top view is showing on the horizontal plane. So this horizontal planes rotates clockwise. So this view comes below. So what the net result is, this is the XY line. Front view of the point P dash comes above XY line and top view is below XY line. And when we come to second quadrant, both the views when this horizontal plane rotates overlaps. So we don't prefer second quadrant. In third angle projection, suppose where I am showing this cursor, point is here and observer is standing behind this point. So the front view is on this vertical plane which is below XY line and top view is on this plane, horizontal plane, which rotates clockwise and goes above the XY line. So in third angle projection, front view is below XY line and top view is above XY line. Now we come to the fourth quadrant. Here, imagine the point under consideration is somewhat about here and the observer is standing here. So its front view is showing below XY line and top view is showing on this horizontal plane. When this plane rotates, both these view overlaps. So we don't prefer fourth and second quadrant. So we only prefer first and third quadrant. In first angle projection, front view comes above XY line and top view comes below XY line. And in third angle projection, front view comes below XY line and top view comes above XY line. So I hope this is clear to all. If any doubt, you can ask me. These are the four quadrants of engineering drawings, and you all different kinds of projection you have to draw in first quadrant, second, third, and fourth. Second and fourth are not preferred because of the overlapping problem. And the point you have to keep in mind is that vertical plane is fixed, only the horizontal plane rotates clockwise.